Furthermore, I would like to thank my father, Prem Shukla ji, and Dr. Sanjay Mayuk ji for helping out and in any manner possible, in everything that they could do in their capacity, so that this program, this book could be a success. What is the objective of this book? What are we trying to sell? What are we trying to spread through this book? As I know Mr. Rishi Raj Singh has already described the 4 parts of the book that you can read within it, I would like to say that what message are we trying to spread through this book? Let me take you back to the rainy days of September back in 2023, when Rishi and I were discussing about a comprehensive book that might contain major legislations done by the Modi government. Unfortunately, we couldn't find a single book on the same. Knowing Shri Ram Bahadur Rai ji, who is such a voracious reader, such an avid reader with a huge collection of books and a momentous amount of experience, so that he could help us out, we knew for sure that Ram Bahadur Rai ji will definitely give an idea on how to approach this issue of ours. Talking to Shri Ram Bahadur Rai ji, we realized one thing, that we are not the only people with this issue. That many people in this country want to read about the major legislations done by this government. What Ram Bahadur Rai ji suggested us can be found in a quote by Toni Morrison that says, if you want to read a book and it hasn't been written yet, then you must write it. Like everyone who writes a book, there is a certain message that we want to deliver, not just to the people we know, but to everyone, to the world at large. These ideas need to be propagated. They need to resonate with the huge amounts of people so that they can know what availabilities this government has provided to the common people of the country. Well, you'd ask, what is this message we're trying to develop? What message we're trying to spread? The message is of transformation. The message is of legislation. The message is of changing legal landscape of this country. What we want to say, the major changes have been brought by these legislations and how deeply they have affected the lives of millions of people in this country. How certain necessary changes that needed to be made ever since independence that were ignored by the previous governments, like the India-Bangladesh enclave issue. These deeply affected the lives of thousands and lakhs of people, but they were finally solved by the Modi government in their second amendment itself, that is the India-Bangladesh enclave, the 100th amendment. The core message that we were trying to deliver is how the young people need to know that the government is currently working not just for the security, not just for the posterity, but also for the prosperity of this country. The core message that we are trying to deliver is how the government is dedicated in all its capacity to improve the standard of living of the common people. We want to remove the misconception, like my co-author said, from the minds of the people that the Modi government is anti-constitutional. In fact, the Modi government is so pro-constitutional that the Apex Court itself has given so many evidences of it in their various judgment, like in the judgment of the abrogation of Article 370, the judgment of EWS. We want people to know how previous government, like Shri Rajiv Gandhi's, would come up with legislations that were against the judgment of the Apex Court, like the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 1986, Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986, versus how the current government is completely incoherent, is coherent with the judgments of the Supreme Court, is coming up with legislations on the recommendations of the Supreme Court, like the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019. I would like to end with a poem of a famous poet, Shri Dinkar ji, which encapsulates the philosophy of our guide and mentor, Shri Ram Bahadur Rai ji, and the ideology that drives our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. उद्देश्य जन्म का नहीं कीर्ति या धन है, सुख नहीं धर्म भी नहीं ना तो दर्शन है, विज्ञान ज्ञान बल नहीं ना तो चिंतन है, जीवन का अंतिम ध्येय स्वयं जीवन है। सबसे स्वतंत्र रस जो भी अनघ पिएगा, पूरा जीवन केवल वह वीर जिएगा, वह वीर जिएगा।
धन्यवाद प्रिंस जी। आप ही पर कवयित्री महादेवी जी लिखती हैं कि अचल हिमगिरी के हृदय में आज चाहे कंप होले, अचल हिमगिरी के हृदय में आज चाहे कंप होले, या प्रलय के आंसुओं में मौन अलसित व्योम रोले, चिर सजग आंखें उनिंदी आज कैसा व्यस्तवाना, जाग तुझको दूर जाना, जाग तुझको दूर जाना। तो आपकी भी यात्रा अनवरत चलती रहे। अब कार्यक्रम की अगली कड़ी में अवसर है ऋषिराज जी और प्रिंस जी के पुस्तक विमोचन का। मैं प्रोफेसर जसीम मोहम्मद जी से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो पुस्तक की प्रति सम्मानित अतिथियों को दें। और पुस्तक विमोचन माननीय मंत्री श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल जी द्वारा होता हुआ